I want a monkey. Wally was sure that he wanted a pet. He talked to his dad about which pet to get. I want a monkey who scratches his head. He'd swing in the house and he'd jump on the bed. Well, said his dad in a kind sort of way, did you know that monkeys eat bugs every day? Oh no, Wally said. We have none to eat. Mom likes to swallow the bugs with her feet. Then I want a hippo, he screamed to his dad. He'd eat all our trash, and Mom would be glad. Hippo need water. It helps them stay cool. I guess we can build him a giant pool. No, Wally said. He'd too big to dry. We'd need mountain of towels to dry. I want an otter who triple backflips. I'd practice swimming when we go for dips. Did you know most otters can whistle and chirp? They growl and snort and perhaps even burp. Oh, Wally said with a sad-looking frown. We'd have to tell him to keep the noise down. Let's get a giraffe, Wally said with a smile. I'd slide from his neck to a giant clothes pile. Giraffes hold the record for tallest of all. The jump from the hairs is a 20-foot fall. Gosh! Wally said as he looked at the ceiling. He'd bump his head even if he were kneeling. Well, how about a bunny? He said to his dad. A fluffy and fluffy one can't be that bad. Bunnies like eating and chew all your stuff. Raising a bunny can really be tough. Wow, Wally answered, is that really true? Picking a pet is not easy to do. I want a fish, Wally said. Let's get one. I think a goldfish could be lots of fun. Said his dad, with a look of delight. Good idea, Wally. I think that you are right. They're really good swimmers and make funny faces. And if we get two, we could watch them have races. Okay, said his dad. That's just what we'll do. One goldfish for me, one goldfish for you.